Life knocked me down hard, way harder than I was prepared for. My name is Hao, and this is the beginning of my comeback. The past few years felt like everything came crashing down. Family illness, addiction, long COVID, career collapse, identity loss, burnout, and grief. I lost pieces of myself I didn't even know could be lost. But somewhere in the middle of all that pain, something shifted. I got tired of living in survival mode, just barely staying afloat. I want to live again. I want to thrive again. Damn it, I want to be fucking happy again.
That shift, it was my mindset.
My wonderful mother, let's call her Mama Chin, has been my rock my entire life, and now it's time for me to be her rock. She's in hospice care with me at home, and while she's still here, I want to make her proud and be the best son I can be. This season of life has taught me to slow the fuck down, no kidding, to be present, to be grateful, even when life tastes like dog water and smells like trash. Okay, so let's be real. Baby, we are all struggling in some way. Over the years, I've worn many hats. I worked in retail, in hospitality, in finance. And in finance as an advisor, I worked with doctors, pro athletes, Ivy League grads, high performers. And what surprised me most, it's not how special they were, but how human their paths really were.
So you're probably thinking, what the hell is this guy channel about? Linda, listen. This is mostly an educational channel, a how-to channel. How to build wealth financially, physically, emotionally, and mentally.
This channel is also a place for a transformation to get you from where you are now at point A to where you want to be at point B. We're going to have real conversations, okay? Practical guidance, mistakes included, Southeast Asian cooking, and we're going to have a lot of fun and plenty of not so serious moments along the way. What I've learned is life is like waves in the ocean. And baby, they're gonna come crashing at us whether we like it or not. For real, how we handle them determines the life we build. Remember that.
If any of this piques your interest or get you excited, stick around. Let's build something great together. Let's fucking go.
Thanks, videographer.
I did my best.
You've been amazing.